Guys, subscribe to my channel hashtags with VChill and click on the bell icon to get notified regarding the latest videos.
Guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video we'll be doing origami paperclip toy model. So without further delay, let's check it out. So guys, for this paper clip model we'll need a square piece of paper. Let's first fold it along the horizontal axis. Like this. Open it, fold it along the vertical axis. This is very easy model. It's just a toy to play around. This is how the plus is formed. Now we need to cut the slit half basically. So just to pick the half, let's do it like this. We just fold it here and just will leave a mark this point. Also we'll just fold it like this and then we'll leave a mark like this. So two slits we got it. Excuse me, let me just cut this. Like this. Similarly we do it on this side. Oops, this was not visible on the camera. Two slits. Similarly we do it on this side, so let's fold it like this. Four slits. Now we fold this. Here. Like this. Slit is slightly more here, but that's fine, no issues. So fold it on all sides, all the four sides. This. So guys, now you turn this around and here we fold this portion like this. Similarly we fold this section here like this, and now we fold it from the center. This toy, if you make it with a bigger smaller sheet of paper, it will be really good because you play it with your finger and all. Now you just do like this, make sure you press all the corners, and that's it. This is how it looks, as you can see. Now if you put your hand like this, It's oops, caught.
Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hit the like button, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon and get notified first. This is Vishal, thank you so much, and I'll be back next week. New content, new videos. Stay tuned. Take care, guys.